Okay everyone, let's start with this one. This is a 2008 KTM 450 SXF. This bike runs pretty good yet, real good.
We got a lot of top end noise. That'll have to be straightened out.
Pretty good yet, real good. It does not smoke, it starts right up. It's got some life in it, but it also has a lot of issues. As you can see, the seat is broke here, the back fenders are broken, the back wheel bearing is out, the rear shock is completely toast. Lots of cosmetic issues. It's missing the front brake. Just really been ridden hard and put up wet. We are going to return this bike to its former glory, or maybe even better. So come along for the ride. Okay, you've seen the bike. Now here it is again. And a lots and lots of pieces. There's the wheels. We have to decide what we're going to do with those. Front forks, pretty good shape. Just got to be cleaned up. Plastics all gone away. Here's bolts, electrical, exhaust system, all the brakes, little hard parts here, subframe, carburetor, throttle tube, all those good things all have to be cleaned up and determined if they'll survive or if they're going to be replaced. The next thing we'll probably do, start with the engine, and we will tackle the engine, clean it up, get the cases looking good again. Hopefully we'll get an orange trim kit for it, plugs and stuff like that. But I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's pretty dirty, pretty crusty. Pretty scarred up, but she'll come around. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. And if you want to be part of this build and donate, I will leave the PayPal link in the description below. Thank you.